so we can't get over there. Not easily. Pardon me, do you have water? I need water. Water? That looks like water. Looks like water. Wait, did I? I just like briefly see a thing there? No? Water, 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 water? Nope, nope, nope. Oh, for crying out loud. I just need some water. My poor waterless horses. My dry horses need water, okay? Alright, we'll try the quarry, and if there's no water in the quarry, which I don't understand why there would be, then we will just buy a water source. Which doesn't... Wait a minute. Huh? 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 I think we just found water. Huzzah! Oh, we finally found water. Hey, Ferrocene! Yes, this does feel illegal. Like, I feel like stealing water. Is that gold? It is gold. Can I have this? Is this where all my money came from? I think I spawned here. Like, this looks like where I spawned. I don't remember going inside there, but that's fine. Alright, so we've got, like, this little oasis. That's where we get our water. Got it. Well, now we know why there's a water tower at the farm. Oh, goodness. We're gonna need a bigger water trailer. I think this map comes with a, I think all of the, I think this map comes with a semi-trailer that can hold water. So we might use that to fill up our water tower at some point. You're right, that does feel so illegal. Which of these is for water? Are you for water? No? How about you? Are you for water? You are for water. Okay, let's just get the spout over the thing. Not for gameplay purposes, just for reassurance purposes. Oh, that was it? They really... Okay. Well, we'll put the rest of the water in the water tower for later. Oh, we've got to hide our stolen water. This is what we've got to do right now. Alright, so let's just... No. Phil? I hope nobody has to pee. This is not going to help. Alright, so that worked? Yes, that worked. All that water is now in the water tower. Cool. Let's just leave this here. Because that seems like a good spot for it, right? Oh, that felt so shady. Okay. So. Bless you. We've got horses, they've got water. We need food, so we need oats and hay. Alright, so, We're not going to have either of those growing there anytime soon. I don't know where there's grass that we can make hay with. So... Can we buy? We can buy bales of hay. Can we buy oats? Big bags. Oats. Okay, we can buy oats. So that'll probably do for now. That's not ideal, but... So we can buy oats, we can buy bales of hay and straw. Alright, so, because we don't have... We don't actually have our field producing anything yet. So let's go buy... We need a straw spreader and a bale of straw. So let's just go do that. So let's... 1 bale of straw. Let's just get 1. Where's the straw spreaders? Is that under animals? Yes, it is. Okay, that is skid steer, front loader, telehandler. Okay, I guess we're getting this one because I don't have a front loader of any kind. I guess I kind of need one, don't I? Actually, can I add one to? I don't think I can add one to this tractor. Well, I need to buy a forklift for the store at some point anyway. So let's... Those look like they should go on my tractor. I don't see a front loader thing, but I might have just missed it when I bought the tractor. So let's go take it to the store and see if I can add one. Because that will save me a lot of trouble. If I can just add a front loader to this. We're stealing water for our dry horses, and then we're buying new straw things. It's fine. It's fine. This is going great. Yes, pardon me. Can I add a front loader to this tractor, please? Are you... Customize? Front loader. Cool, 1,500 bucks. Easy decision right there.